Listening to music you're not supposed to. Virus, a little bit of a. I like that song. I like that song a lot. It's like usually one of the go-tos. Virus, one of the go-tos. Good morning, guys. Hidden, good morning. Omega, hi. Justin, good morning. Jay, good morning. Qualin, good morning. Focus, good morning. Shaftman, good morning. Jay, other Jay, other Jay. Gail, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Uh, tell them, yep. Uh, there we go. Plug, MINM. Yeah. Yep. Tony, good morning. Good morning, Doug. Good morning, Rusty. Okay, I need to find some new music here. Now we can listen to rubbish music, Rubbish music. Camilla, hello, good morning. Anyways, so MINM is looking really good this morning after running again yesterday, so that's cool. MINM. I'm gonna pull this one up. Hey sis. Hey sis. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, that thing is pumping. So congratulations if you're in this one because it looks really good. So these guys had news yesterday and it just continued pumping today, right? This one's been spammed in Discord a few times today too, from Greg, everybody else, blah, blah, blah. Okay. News. Lucy commences shipping of, okay, cool. They go $6. Oh, wow. Wow. That thing said, hey guys, bye guys. So that looks really good actually. Na. Looks really good. It's a very nice run. Typical breakout. Kimbella, $5.20. That was your breakout, wasn't it? Right? And now it's gone skis. So they go 620. It's $1 from the breakout, which is quite impressive. $1 from the breakout. Let's see. So we have that. We have what else is moving here this morning? I know AUVI, like AUVI isn't too bad. It's done okay this morning. NRBO looks like it died and it's selling off. So watch 394 base. Plug is done really well. CDIO looks okay still. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on. Let me go back to MINM here, 620. Good morning, Paige. ELAB. What do you see about ELAB that you like? What do you like? What's the question? LQR had some news as well, but it's really not doing much. Right, so ELAB here. ELAB is was or maybe still is the top gainer. I mean, it's holding $1, right? It's holding 106, so that's a good thing. As long as it stays above 106, I don't mind too much. Okay, let me go back here. $6.30. Travis, good morning. Rosalind, good morning. Oh yeah, that thing is sending it. Yeah, there are a whole bunch of names here on the gainer on the watch list. As long as you set a really tight stop loss, Kimbella, like a very tight stop loss, like so tight you have to hold your breath, to wait until something happens. So it needs to stay above 106. If not, your next support is 103. So right, as long as you know that you're not allowed to go below one of these two levels, right? You either pick below 106 or you pick below 103. Either way, it's like maybe it's a good gamble because it's a really tight stop loss, anyways. But you have to make sure you manage it really closely. Manage it really closely. Uh, futures addicts. Good morning, Dan. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. What time? What time is it where you're at? What time is it? Yeah, I feel like in the middle of the night, Dan. The wife is sleeping, and Dan is like, "Oh my goodness, 8 a.m. in the morning. Oh wow, okay. Oh, it's actually pretty good. It's really really good. Good morning, Ray. MINM is still sending it there. So congratulations again if you're in this one. Alrighty. I don't think we let me look at what happened yesterday with this stock. So yesterday the high was $5.53. So it's broken above that high already, which is impressive. And then now if I look at the daily time frame, it looks like we're properly gapping up into yeah, it's very close here, isn't it? So anywhere from like 6.50 to $7. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Last night was fire. It was, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. It was. It almost looks like we're T-Rexing here on MINM, like it wants to dip maybe. So just be a little bit cautious. Still riding above the 9 though, so that's a good thing. But still. La, 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 la. See, I skipped the gym yesterday, Dan, just because of that. Today I need to go to the gym. I need to go to the gym. Yeah, I can't skip every night to do futures. But today I will. Today I'm gonna go to the gym. Na, 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 na. There you go. Must virus. Virus is skipping the gym to do futures. He has a problem, like a big problem. So yep. Did you call the fire department? No, no. It's just I I got rid of that video. I was about to play the fire video. Dan, dang it, got rid of it on stream. Alrighty, what else is on the charts here? So pre-market gainers, refresh. Huh, interesting. I think this stuff is just a bit delayed, that's why. Also, big earnings today. Big earnings. So Meta, wow, my goodness, look at that. Look at that list on Thursday. Amazon, Meta, Apple, right? Some three pretty big names to report. I mean, if we go by what happened to Microsoft and Google and the other big ones, maybe we see dipskis. Doubt it, but maybe. Yep. And they kicked me out 2 candles before the pump. That's annoying. That's annoying, virus. Yeah. I'm starting a recovery group, Futures Anonymous. Why? You saw us in there? Seemed to die after the 190 spike Omega. Yeah, it did. It did. It did. How much time do we have, Kat? 20 minutes. 20 minutes. What's the volume here? La, 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 la. What did this candle go to? Is that after hours or pre-market? I will leave it there for now. That's the 4 hour time frame. What about the 30 minutes? 30 minute charts. 30-minute charts. Okay, cool. AUVI looks like it's also slowly coming back as well, which is good. AUVI has a lot of resistance, a lots of resistance at $3.13. So it's going to need to break above that level. You ready for violence, hidden squids? Who's hidden squids? Feel like you have a different name and then you changed, you're using a different account or something. At least once. What are you doing with your? Yeah, yep, yep. Come on. Yeah, it almost looks like we're T-Rex into the open here for MINM. So we shall see again. Keep in mind that thing's had a really nice run though. Your first funded account is for learning? Yeah. Yeah. Mine too. Mine too, virus. It's a bit of a learning curve, isn't it? I think Dan took some time to paper trade. I didn't. I went into the fire. But yeah. And what, Dan? And thrust. And thrust. What's the S&P doing this morning? So Spice Green. So that gap down we were waiting for Musty. That thing said, excuse me, no thanks. What's Tesla doing here? Tesla is slightly green. Yeah, still below 190 though. What's NQ doing? What's NQ doing? NQ is wow. Uh, wow. That thing came back all the way up there. That's wild. Anyways, uh, oh, Donald. Okay, see, I knew it. I knew it. What else am I looking at here? So, Apple reports earnings this tonight. Let me just quickly pull up the chart. I mean, it's green this morning, so we'll see. We shall see. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom and come join us already. Gap down when the market is open. What do you mean? When the market is open? Not sure I understand. Question for you guys in the chat. What's your favorite name? Usual question. What's your favorite name going into the open? What's your favorite stonk? Virus is gonna say NQ. So is Dan. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I knew some futures rubbish was coming. Mara is your favorite name going into the open? Okay. On the SVX, yeah. NQ. I knew it. Sana says, new member. Where can I submit questions? Is this the right place? When we are on stream, it is the right place, Sana. When we get up the stream, you have to go to Discord. So I'm gonna get you an invite here. Let me just. I don't know if you signed up for the right level though. So I don't know. I don't know. Perfect. So yeah, Sana, let me send you an invite. Okay. So when we are on stream, yes, this is the right place to ask your questions. But when the stream is over, you're gonna have to ask in Discord in the community. So the way you connect to Discord, which is where we spend 24/7, already you have to connect to Discord to see everything else that is not chaos. So click on this link at the bottom of the chat there, Sana, and then follow the steps in the one channel you have, and all the other channels will open up. So click that link at the bottom. uh, but it held nicely. Virus, yeah, that was a really good entry. T, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You on your left, second house on your right, second house on the right. Haze, GDHG. Yeah. Yep. Yep. uh, I na 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 na. Oh, virus, what's happening? These days, when virus says stuff like this, Dan, you know something is happening. It's like, dear God. Oh my goodness. um Month membership, I don't remember the name of it. No, that's okay, Sana, you're good to go. Just so the link I posted at the at some point there, the yellow link, just click that and follow the steps, and then again, when we're on stream, we can hang out here together. When we're not, and then it's Discord. Alrighty. So there are a lot of videos for you to watch as well, Q&As. A lot, you have a lot of educational stuff to do. So as a new member, you have to go through every channel in Discord. You have to. There's no questions. Otherwise, I will ignore your questions if it's a question about something that's already in Discord. You know. So take a look at every channel, please, and then yeah. Okay, let's see what's going into the open here. We're suggested ELAB. Okay, 106. Okay, I like it. I like that. Yeah, Justin. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if that thing can stay above. So that's ELAB, if I can find it. So it looks like AUVI is still failing at $3.13. Same resistance. NRBO is bouncing up the 200, which is good. So $3.94. That's good. Um, CDIO is back to 220. No, nothing happening there. Nothing happening here. LQR, nothing happening there. And then, ooh, that's a nice bounce. Well, I mean, one of those two levels, I guess, right? So it looks like it decided to go below that one, but it stayed above the previous one, Justin. Yeah. So it looks like we stayed above 103, and then a bit of a pop. It seems very slow, doesn't it? Seems very, very slow. So we'll see. Anything else here for news? OMER with news. Additional royalty monetization with okay, cool. So there goes ELAP with a nice little bouncy bounce. And another bounce. It's so slow, isn't it? Like it's 1 penny at a time. But either way, at least it's in the green, so that's good. It's all over the place. What's the float on that thing? It doesn't say, does it? Yeah, true move. Yeah, hopefully, because that thing seems like it's in a stupid range. So hopefully it does. Hopefully it does break out and goes boom skis. I'm gonna pull it up here. So ELAB. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you have a bit of an issue at like 113 there, but I'm not sure what the float is. Na 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 na. So there goes 111. Okay, let me go back to MINM. MINM. So we have 9 minutes left here. It seems a bit slow into the open, doesn't it? Yeah. Seems a little bit slow. A little bit slow. What is K? So KPRX. So these guys, you know how yesterday we were talking about that company that said There was a company that said, "Oh yeah, we have a $80 million deal from Amazon," right? And the stock was up 300%, and then boom skis. The actual filing showed that these guys are actually spending, they're actually giving Amazon $80 million, and then the stock crashed, right? These guys did the same thing. Well, not the same, but look at this, right? So last night, these guys halted the damn stock. Alrighty, let me go back to last night. These guys halted the damn stock at 55 cents. They're like, hey, halt, 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 halt. We have amazing news. Amazing news. Amazing news. Alrighty? And this was the news. They're like, okay, we have a partnership or blah, whatever the deal was. Grants license for whatever, right? They're like, okay, hey, we have a license for blah 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 blah. The market said, wait, what? That's amazing, right? They're like, we're gonna get, so we have a deal. We're gonna get 18 million upfront. At the end of the day, when this deal is completed, we're gonna get $300 million. Everybody's like, oh my goodness, you're getting $300 million. Go, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents. 30, $1.30, $1.50, $1.60, $1.60, $1.70. Oh my goodness, Christmas, $1.80, $1.90. Let's go. And then we sold off a little bit, and then it started consolidating and consolidating and consolidating. And then boom skis. And then boom skis, these guys dropped an offering. Boom skis, they dropped an offering. How do you go from like potentially getting $300 million on a deal, getting 18 million upfront, to announcing an offering? They're like, oh my goodness, win Lambo, come on. And then the stock went to the abyss from $1.90 to 70 cents. And it's been holding 70 cents, so that's cool. But dang, these companies are not your friends. When something's up 200%, you better start thinking of running because they're ready, especially when it's like a bio stock. A lot of these deals need, like, the companies need money to fulfill these orders. They need money, especially when it's a biotech stock, right? Yes, they might have a deal for 300 million to produce this special drug. How are they going to get there though, right? They need monies to get there. So then they screw you by doing an offering. So you have to be very careful. You have to be paying attention. You have to have like a clear plan. Otherwise, it screws you really quickly. Especially when it's up 200%, 300%. You're up so much already. You want to be very careful. Alrighty? You want to be very, very careful. Let's see. You want to be very, very careful. So for now, again, this thing has done an okay job holding above like 68. I think the lowest we've been with this news, with the offering news, is 68 cents. So anywhere from between 70 and 68 cents, it looks like it's been bouncing around that range. So hopefully it stays above it. KPRX. Alrighty. 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 My plan is to make monies. Yeah, it is. But like when you fall into something that's up 300%, you want to be very careful because your margin for error is quite high. Quite high. Anyways, what's ELAB doing? It looks like ELAB pushed a little bit and then came back down to the bottom again. So that thing is just all over the place. It seems like a massive float stock for some weird reason. It seems that way. Seems that way. So we have 5 minutes to go, guys. 5 minutes to go again. I would appreciate it if you could take a second and smash a like. Um, yeah. Yes. Yeah, Pepe. I enjoy the excitement, but yeah, like Dan said, when you spam stuff, Pepe, I just miss other stuff. Thank you. Yeah, so smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us. Alrighty. Again, welcome, Sana. Welcome to the community, TT. Welcome. Alrighty. What else is on the list here? welcome. Dan, what have you done? What have you done? What have you done? Dan is on vacation getting violence. Um, yeah, Mustiera, I don't get that either. But do not get it. I'm not telling. um, Rising, we want everyone to win. Absolutely, absolutely. We absolutely do. Okay, so we have 3 minutes before the market opens. NRBO looks like it's still holding that $4 range, 3.90 to $4. Oh my goodness, what happened to Apple, guys? That thing said, "Hey, hey, 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 abyss." Oh my goodness, you would think, you would think someone dropped some bad news on Apple there. Anyways, we have a new member, David. David. Welcome to the community, David. Again, keep in mind, you have to sign up for the level that says, so those sold out levels. I don't know why they still let people like get those levels, but those levels are basically useless. So I don't know why they like do that. But so if you want to join Discord, you have to sign up for the top three, the bottom three levels. Alrighty, the level that says Discord community, legend, or goats. So if you sign up for anything else, you just have to go back and upgrade to a different level. Alrighty. If not, it's just anyways. There goes MINM. That thing pushed all the way. See, when we look at that daily chart, it looks like $7 is resistance, doesn't it? Which is pretty impressive. Which is very very impressive. So, which is very very impressive. Okay, perfect. Perfect. What's in the news? Okay, EVAX. La, 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 la. And there goes 670. Glad to be here. What do I think about Nexi? I'll take a look. What's your position in Nexi? What's your position in Nexi? Again, keep in mind, if you want to join Discord, you have to go back and upgrade to the other levels. The level that says Discord community, legend, or goat. Alrighty. So that was the intention. Just make sure. Short, Joe? Okay. No. Okay. MINM. I don't know why we have those other two names. Oh my goodness, look at that thing squeeze. There's that $7 range. There's the $7, guys. The $7. And there it is. That thing is on fire. Oh my goodness. Ooh wee. That thing is on fire. See, if the market was open, this thing would be halted immediately here. Oh, the market is open. The market is open. The market just opened. Like, we still have a minute left. And it's halted. So it's dumping, Justin. Yeah, once the market opens, it changes things. So those levels change as soon as the market opens. So $7.21. I know, Gail. I know. Slacking. So MINM, unbelievable. That's amazing. So again, congratulations if you're in this thing, because that thing crushed it. No sympathy plays yet though. For this one, no sympathies. I'm gonna need to edit. And then the other one we were looking at was what was that? What else do we have in the list here? Yeah, it looks like NRBO is also kind of bouncing for now, which is good. So let me switch back over. Yeah, so NRBO is bouncing, so is AUVI. AUVI. Yeah. So you're in at 663, halted. What do you do? Don't let it go below 721. AUVI went straight to the abyss. Pump straight to the abyss. It actually hit that pre-market double top and then backed off. NRBO looks like it's bouncing up the 200, which has been a good thing this morning. Uh, I'm surprised that thing isn't halted down. Surprised that thing is not halted down. What's the bottom of this candle? And then again, so NRBO, this one needs to break above $4.50. That's your next resistance. How do you upgrade to Discord? You just have to go back to the same link, David. You just have to go back to the same link, the same area, and then just click on change level. That same link at the bottom there, or just go on the memberships on the channel, on the memberships perks, and then change level, and then that should work. Even though it doesn't work for some people, but anyways, so looking at some of these names, so ELAB is going to the abyss, right? As soon as that thing broke below that support, you don't want it. You don't want it because you never know what comes below that, right? KPRX still looks like it's holding 70 cents. AUVI is, let's see what happens there. It looks like NRBO wants to break out now too, right? So resistance at $4.50. I just said yes. So there goes 455. No close above yet, but it's trying to. So NRBO looks good, and then MINM is still halted. Hayes, I'll take a look in a second. I'll take a look. I will take a look ski. $4.55. Nice little curl, actually. Nice, beautiful curl. Nice double bottom off the 200. Always a good thing. Fun is fun now, Alvin. Yeah, it will be. It will be again next week when Trump has to do another one of these. Exiting as soon as it comes back. Max, congratulations. What I usually hope for these names, um, if I can see if the bid will show up here for me. So MINM. What I usually want for these names when they get halted is that they open above the halt price, so at least you can sell it, right? So and yeah, you want to make sure you have you want to be ready with a plan, a decision, whether that means setting a stop loss below the halt price, not letting it go below $7. Be ready. Ready? Be ready. So David is upgraded to Discord. Let's go, David. So I'm gonna send you an invite here, David. Once you oh yeah, this looks good, doesn't it? NRBO is hitting those highs now. It's actually closed a candle above 450. So my only concern here is that it's extended though, but it looks good. Right. Only concern is when you break out and it like gets extended, then it becomes a bit of an issue. The current bid for MI and M is still 721 at the halt price, which is not the best thing. You don't want to see that. You almost want it to push higher after the halt. It makes it so much easier for you. So David, here's your invite. So click this link at the bottom and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. There goes M. It's unhalted, guys. So there you go. At least it's halting. It's unhalted higher. This makes it so much easier for you to put a stop loss, right? This makes it so much easier for you to put a stop loss and not go red. If you go red on a play like this, it's because it's a little bit of greediness. Yeah. Alrighty. So if you go red in this position, it's greedy. So I really like that it gapped up, it opened, and then it pushed all the way to 770. So then it's not like one of those where it halts at 720 and then opens at $6, and you're like, well, I don't have a chance, right? This thing is still all the way up there, so it's easy to manage. Put a stop loss wherever you want. You know. Hi Kel, Monday and joining. Let's go, Kel. 92. Well done. Well done. 20 cent scalp, Justin. Love it. Love it. Love it. So let's see. What ticker? Wolf. The ticker is MINM. Does it not show, Jack? Uh, does it not show up for you? No, virus. No. Virus. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that, virus. Thank you. Alrighty, thank you very much. Thank you. So, congratulations if you got a membership from virus. Yes. No, virus. Never have to worry about rubbish like that. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Ever. So this looks really good still. So there goes that retest of 770. It might be a double top at 770, but so the last time we looked at the daily chart, I think we saw resistance at set. We saw resistance at 7. We obviously broke above that level, so I'm gonna need to zoom out here at some point. But 770 is a problem, right? So 1 minute double tops, and it's backing off again. So again, scalp that thing. Market opens and we run. When the market opens and your stock is running, you know it's gonna come down at some point, right? Right. Uh, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. No, there goes 680, right? So we've lost $1 from that high. Lost $1. Have some fun and drink some rum. Kiwi, I like that. I like that. Rum is up 10%. Oh my goodness, Dan. Hmm. See, Dan, Dan is talking about stocks again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. NRBO looks really good as well. So these two names are looking fire. Looking fire. Love it. Love it. Right? So definitely our two favorite names coming into the open, NRBO and MINM. So that's good that they're both performing. They're both performing. Again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, I would appreciate it if you could take a second and smash a like. Uh, there we go. 490, guys. Ooh, wee, that's a nice run. It's a very, very nice run. Uh, and balance indicator on a trade of it. Interesting. 490. I wonder if the money's rotating a little bit from MINM. It doesn't seem like it for now because they're still playing around $7 and yeah. Hmm. Anyways, you want a dime? $5? It's yeah, just be careful here. Come on. Hmm. There we go. 492, 493, 498. There's your $5 and boom skis $5 NRBO $5. Yeah, got it. Yeah, got it. Here goes. Where would be a good entry, Mister Fix It? Again, I would give it a bit more time here to consolidate, just because the market has been open for 11 minutes already. This looks like a proper retest of a breakout, like it's retesting $6.80. Right, 680 would be a retest of the breakout, which might be a good level. but I feel like it needs a bit of consolidation. Alrighty. So again, like let's see if it stays above $6.80. 680. NRBO is on fire. That thing said my turn, Justin. My turn. There we go. Another 20 scalp. Love it. Said my turn. Take the monies and break it over. My turn. Some of the 50% plus. 50% plus. You'd be sleeping on the streets of Toronto. Streets of Toronto. If you drank that. FPLG is halted. Okay. Yeah, these are just those like typical market open, like chaotic rallies. If you're not sure, there's no need for you to be playing with stuff like this. Look at MINM, right? So that's why I said, like it looks like we might hold that level, but at the same time, you need some type of consolidation because this is chaos, right? Like it's just volatility and it's halted down, isn't it? Three, two, one, halt it down, right? So, yep, you don't want to be playing games here with stuff at the open if you're not sure what you're doing. Otherwise, you're like, oh my goodness, but we're pumping. Oh my god, now we're crashing, right? It happens all the time. I say this every single morning. If your stock is immediately pumping at the open, it's gonna come down at some point, right? Either to give you a double bottom or to give you a higher low. One of the two, right? Your stock is not just going to open and pump and then pump and then pump and pump and pump and pump and never come back. It's going to have to. Alrighty. So when you see these things pumping immediately at the open, they're going to come. Alrighty. So there goes 520. 520. Mm, let's see here. Okay, perfect. Some money for tough step. Yes. There goes 515. So it looks like 520 is a bit of an issue, isn't it? Stocks don't thrust and thrust and thrust. No, they thrust and then they take a break, and then they thrust and then they take a break in Bella. Yeah, Max, it's halted. So hopefully nobody's caught in this drop. If you're caught in this drop, it's because you're greedy. Ready? If you held this thing all the way up and then you held it all the way down, it's just greedy. I know, I know, I know. I know, I know. Um, Alrighty, so please, 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 please secure those monies. Oh lordy, then. So now when abyss. Hmm. Here we go again. Yup. Yup, yup. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I just need to put something there. And then I need to set a stop loss. Z. Uh, there we go. So it looks like we're back above. This one actually looks like it's doing a good job of staying above like $5. Staying above $5, staying above the nine. That is the blue line you see at the bottom. Okay, the blue line is it's that's staying at the bottom there. Okay, I need to set a stop loss on one of these crazies. One of these crazies. Hmm. Stop. Yeah. So we talked about this name last night in Discord. As CDIO looks nice still. Actually pushed all the way back up to 230, which is good. Which is good, good, good. So we talked about this name. Just a little gamble YOLO in the challenge account, right? So we talked about this one yesterday. I just want to see if we stay above that support, right? So look at this, right? So we've been to this level a few times, right? For LIFW, right there. Well, this one is a bit of a guess just because that was post pre-split, and then right there as well. The last time we hit this level, the last time we hit $1 for this stock. You want to know where this thing went to? Well, I say $1, but like it's above $1, right? So like 106, 107, 108, 105, I think, yeah. Right, the last time we hit this level, that thing went from that price, which is ridiculous, from that price to $17. Right, so now that we're sitting at this price again, we want to see if it can bounce. It doesn't look like it's curling yet. That's the main problem here, though. Like this doesn't look like a curl yet, right? So it's sometimes like better. You're better off like sometimes waiting for that thing to consolidate and then start curling, because then you know that it's actually turning around. Because it still kind of looks weak on the right hand side, doesn't it? Like it's not a curl. So that one's a bit of a premature gamble, but yeah, a bit of a premature gamble. But let's see if we can stay above 108. Alrighty, let's see if we can stay above. If not, then we get rid of it. Alrighty. I think the next bottom is what the all-time low is 105. So we'll see if it stays above that level. Anyways, moving on. Let's see. So ELAB is still going to the abyss, isn't it? That thing is yeah. Yeah, no, put it on the watch list. MINM is on halted, guys, and it's still dipping, right? Usually when stocks halt down, they continue crashing. So halted at 164, 645. It's at $6 now. It actually broke below $6, right? So broke below $6 and then went to the abyss. NRBO looks like we stalled at 520. 520 is a psychological level, like the 520, the 420, the 620, the 720, all these levels like that. Those levels can be issues. So it looks like they're both dipping now. So again, it has to dip, right? Watch for support around $4.50. You're in at okay CMND. Let me take a look. So CMND. Oh, yeah, that's a nice little rally. It's a nice little rally. $2.22. Not bad. Yeah, it's gone skis, isn't it? Yeah, that's a good entry, Larry. Well done. It's a really good entry. Really, really good entry. Yeah. Really good So stuff like 220 will become a little bit of resistance for CMND, right? 220 level. For SPY, Bahrain, are you holding ES? Or what are you holding? Or you're thinking about puts? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Lisa? Hello? La 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 la. SPY. Yeah. No, you got you you're kicked out until 5 p.m. Yep. Yep. So for the S&P, what are you thinking about the virus? Options in calls, small position. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I think the fact that we actually sold off the way that we did is impressive. It's impressive that we're back to green this morning. So yeah, like Dan said, it's going sideways for now. So if that thing breaks above, if we break above like 485, 70, then I think you're fine. For now, I don't think you can really make that decision yet. You know, yeah, maybe just I don't know which calls you're holding or how green you are. You might just have to give it a second here, and hope that we break out to the upsides. But then if we break below 485 and 485, actually way below 485, but just closing below 485 might be a problem because then we're closing below the 200. Closing below the 200. I'll be back to you. Know you got to take for the fifth time last week, yo. Okay, sounds good. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. It looks like we're bouncing up the VWAP here for life, not for life, for MINM max for now. But then also when you start trending down like this, you have those moving averages on the way up to contend with. So a problem there. Alrighty, alrighty. Uh, there we go. There we go. Uh, yeah, you did. Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. Beautiful. Yeah, Larry. Yeah. See, now that you saw that 210, look at where it's at now. Right? It's at 180 something, 186, 185. Right. So with these things, especially when they run immediately at the open like this, they're gonna have to dip and retest something. So yeah. So well done. Money saved. Uh, yeah, puts below 480, 485. Yeah, I think if we break below that and we stay below that level, we have a problem for the S&P. So then we have a bit of a problem. Yeah, Rusty is one of those things that isn't safe yet. It hasn't fully confirmed the direction it wants to go in. But then we're just taking a gamble because we're gambling at the bottom with a 2 cent loss, 2 cent stop loss, right? We can deal with that, right? So stuff like that, I don't mind. Levels, okay. Levels. Yeah, and that thing still has really low volume too, so there's a long ways to go. Uh, you're down. Let's get it. Oh, you mean for spy puts? Oh, I see. Some spy puts. Yeah, SPY is starting to struggle a little bit there. And RBO looks like it really bounced after retesting 450, which is amazing, right? Breakout, retest. That's nice. Same resistance though, just above $5. So just be mindful. MINM has done a really good job bouncing. It's gonna have resistance for sure here though at $6.50. 650 for sure resistance. For sure resistance. For sure. And there goes the sell off. 650 right back to the abyss. $6.20. It doesn't mean we're done ski though. It just means again when we hit levels like that, we're gonna sell off. Microsoft puts. Microsoft. There goes $6. Oh my goodness, there goes 590 MINM. Oh my days. Oh my goodness. 580. Sheesh. 570, 560. Oh my goodness. Again, we should not be surprised. Right? We said $66.50 for sure would be resistance. For sure would be resistance. So and now that thing is sitting at new lows of the day, which is quite concerning. But yeah. So now you need new lows, new levels to watch for lows, new levels. Okay. La, 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 la. Oh, I see. It's again. I need to take a look at that. Ownership. So two two buys and two sells. Oh no, that's a lot of sells actually. Oh, I see. Yeah. CEO. When was this filed? Uh, End of last year. End of last year. Interesting. I need help setting the show me some indicators as you do. NRBO, what's happening? Yeah, it's a big old scam candle. Tech, big old scam candle. Then they appear as in the yeah. So the only indicator that I use, David, is a pay is not a free indicator to add. So you would need to buy it if you wanted it already. You would need to buy it. So yeah, thank you, Lion. There goes Spy. Yup, to the abyss. Let's go, Sky. There goes the S&P. Not really surprised that it's doing that. Not surprised that it's doing that. Right. As soon as we went below that 485, problems. Now you have a little bit of a pivot at like 484.40, 484.40. So if that level holds, you might be okay. So if you're long. Alrighty, so 484.40 is a little bit of support for the S&P. A little bit of support, and it looks like us MINM is trying to curl. I still don't like the just the craziness on the stock because I don't think it's quite sure what it wants to do. Microsoft, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So once you connect to Discord, David, like once you connect and you go through all the channels, you're gonna see a lot of things that that will make a lot of sense to you. Like the indicators that I use, this and that. Yeah. So already, how's ELAB looking? ELAB, ELAB no look good. ELAB no look good. Right? So I tried to go up and then failed again. So for now, if you can stay above 81 cents, as long as it stays above head and shoulder, if it can break 90, okay. So as long as it stays above 81 cents here, you have a chance of going back up. If it goes below that level, then it's double debt, Lion. So for now, above 81 cents, you have a chance. You have a chance. La 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 la. Just quickly looking at some of the news here. Looking at some of the news. Tesla is being Tesla, Cedric. Tesla is I mean, the entire market is being being a little bit sus today, but yeah, Tesla is actually a break even still. So, but then the mark, anyways, yeah. Yep, that's Tesla for you though. How's Mark looking? Mark the scam. Mark is at 62 cents. I mean, it actually looks like it's trying to go back up a little bit. So 64 cents is your next resistance C bell. If it breaks above 64 and stays above 64, that's a good thing. So 64 is your main resistance for now. Main resistance for now. I hate when the broker does these like stupid. Why? Writing ES long? Okay. I think I know why it's doing it. Na, na, na. Plus four contracts. Yeah, Joe. Oh, 4 points. Yeah, 4 points. One contract. Okay, I see. Good morning, lots. Ayo, 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 ayo. Open orders. Okay. Alrighty, moving on. Yeah, we need something. We need something. To consolidate and give us an opportunity. So it looks like we're retesting here for MINM. Now retesting the kernel. So the 50, the 20, and the kernel. You notice how we failed at the top there? That's kind of the same idea, right? So this thing needs to break above $6.20, and then maybe it has the chance of pumping. Alrighty. So for now, you have new resistance. So it was 650, now it's $6.20 for MINM. So as time goes on, these levels will only go lower if we keep trending down. So it's going to need to get back above as soon as possible. Alrighty, it's trying. You're going short now? Too much fun. There goes a pop. Right, it's really trying to reclaim these moving averages, which is good. Ooh, my goodness. That's a proper size candle. If that thing can close above it. If it can close above. So it looks like CMND, yeah, it's back to $1.80. So hey, Larry, congratulations on that. ELAB, right? Watch that support at 81 pennies. 81 pennies. Nothing happening there. NRBO looks like it's holding the 50 EMA, which is also good. So it looks like we're going to be watching NRBO and MINM all day today. All day today. GREE and CING. CING, yeah, GREE, halt it. Halt it. There goes a push. Here comes that 650. So as soon as that thing closed above, right? As soon as that thing closed above $6.20, your next resistance immediately was 650. So let's see if we can break above 650 then, and then go for 680. For now, 650 is still resistance, and it looks like we failed again at 650. So 650 still a problem. SPY looks different. Oh, SPX, yeah. Yeah, no, I rarely look at SPX. I just pull up the S&P. I just pull up the SPY. La, 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 la. To la 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 la. Highly volatile. What do you see there? Nexi? Yeah, Nexi's been a fun name. Super fun. Right. So the volatility is nice. I mean, look at that thing consolidating at the bottom. This was actually quite nice. Right. This is why like I like when I see stuff like this. When it's consolidating a little bit at the bottom, it can be a nice little gamble, right? So also this thing closing above that 9 EMA, the blue line was magic, right? So we crashed below the blue, the blue, the blue, the blue. As soon as we close that candle above it, it's gone skis. What do I see here? I think it looks really good, but you'd almost have to be in a position because now it's at resistance, right? Now you're sitting at your pre-market resistance, like pivot level, just below $15, like right there, all the way across. We're already sitting there. You don't want to be buying something at that price and then all of a sudden it's repeating it, right? So rhyming, rhyming. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. So you don't want to do that. So if that thing can break above 14.80, $15 and stay above it, cool. But even then, your supply is still slightly higher. But this was nice, bullish. Anyways, yeah, if you're in a position, David, that's really good. Make sure you have a plan there. But yeah, yes, 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 not bad. Speaking of like Nexi though, what's RVSN looking like today? RVSN isn't doing much, but that was another one. And then CCTG, right? CCTG, same type of idea, not really doing much, but it's still holding those gains, which is impressive. And then I think what's the other one? Luna, right? So these guys are potentially launching. They're saying they're going to the moon in the middle of this month, right? So again, it could still fail, and the stock goes back to the abyss. But that's what they're saying. That's what they're saying, right? And the stock has been pumping though, right? Like it's been pushing. This has been mentioned quite a few times already. Yeah, let me go take a look at GREE. Yeah, CING too. Yeah, GREE's unhalted and it's up 62%. 62%. Candles like these are fun when you're in the stock, um, yeah, candles like these, they're super fun when you're in there, because you're like, oh, I'm green already, let's go. They're a little bit complicated when you're looking for a brand new position. CING singulates, very similar, right? Yeah, it's super fun when you're in there because it's pumping. When you're not in, you kind of need an entry, and you want to see a dip to something before you can get an entry, and they're just not giving you anything. So be careful with these names, right? Dips will always happen. Dips will always happen. Doesn't matter how much the stock runs, it will dip at some point. So when you're feeling that FOMO, take your hands and sit on them. Sit on your hands. Sit on your hands. Uh, there you go. So yeah, GREE is pumping 91%. Oh my goodness, 95. 95. Uh, Thank you, Lion. Thank you. That's how much I let's go, Lion. Thank you very much. Let's go, let's go. There goes 98% at the highs. There goes 100% for the day. 101. Resistance 318. That thing's at resistance line. Where resistance? I know, right, Justin? That thing needs to break 650 MINM. It almost looks like a cup and handle now, doesn't it? Or like a fake inverse head and shoulder. But either way, this is why like I don't really care for like head and inverse head and like cup and handles, this or that, because it's the same level. Like either way, regardless of what's happening here, that thing needs to clear. Whether it's inverse or cup and handle, it needs to clear 650. And if it doesn't, no good. Right? Grease on fire, 110%. Oh my goodness, Lion. Sheesh, 111. Make a wish. 11, 111.11. So it almost seems like it's halted, doesn't it? Or if it's halted at that price, that would be perfect. If it's it's halted, guys. Look at that. Look at the price that it's halted at. Percentage 11, 111.11%. Isn't that wild? So make a wish. You have 5 minutes to make you wish for everything you could ever want. You have a lot of time. So wish for good health. Wish for sunshine. Wish for love. Wish for. You made a big wish. Okay, good. Good, 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 good. Good. Market makers being silly. They're like, hey, make a wish. Pepe, make a wish. Make a wish. Someone wish AWIN or NXU to pump, please. Yes. You have a lot of time to wish because the stock is going to be halted for the next few minutes. Alrighty. While you're making your wishes, there goes MINM, still trying to push. Do. So $6.50, Justin. Resistance. Looks like this candle tapped 650. Look at that. It tapped 650 and then went right back down to minus 20 cents on that tap. Yeah. NRBO and NRBO looks beautiful. That thing just hit new highs of today's tech. Ooh wee. Right. This was a beautiful retest, by the way, for NRBO. Beautiful retest. Oh yeah, Lion is amazing. Lion is like the hot trades news 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 person. Hot trades news person. La, 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 la. Come on. La, la, la. So it looks like we still have resistance though at so $5, and so these candles need to close about 520 is what needs to happen there. And news anchor need to close about $5.20, and then send it after that. There goes 530. Look at that, guys. Look at MINM, right? 650 is a big problem. That thing hit 650 and immediately it's crashing again. So again, we do not care about inverse head and shoulders. We do not care about cup and handles unless it's actually doing what it's supposed to do on the upside. Because if it doesn't, you're going to the abyss. right? So whenever someone says, "Hey, that looks like an inverse head and shoulder," yes, that looks like a cup and handle, yes, but everything needs confirmation. Alrighty. So CMND, again, Larry, I'm happy you took those profits at $2.10 from that 220 fail, because look at where it's at now, $1.60. If you diamond handed this thing, you'd be at the bridge. Ready? NRBO looks good still. Oh wow, look at that thing go. Oh my days. That thing said, "Hey, I'm breaking out. Catch me if you can." La, la, la. UVXY. Okay. Yeah. There goes 570. Oh my goodness. That's a proper breakout. Uh, there goes. So congratulations if you're in this one. Congratulations. Oh my goodness, that's pretty funny, virus. I sent you a picture of Musty after his wish. It's a funny picture, Musty. It's a funny picture. You can still keep wishing, guys. Close your eyes. Imagine the wish. What did you wish for? Are you allowed to say? Okay, because it's on halted now and it's gone. You sent it to Musty? There you go. So I can zoom out now. There you go. So we just had to go to that price so we could wish, and now it's over. Na, 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 na. Uh, na, 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 na. Mine is. Yeah, na, 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 na. Your eyebrows, Lion? When did you FOMO? Oh my goodness. They halted it down. Yeah. Right. So yeah, this is why we don't want stocks halting up and then going below the halt price, because as soon as it does that, there's a really good chance it's going to go to the abyss. In some countries, shaved eyebrows are the rage. Yep, you're not wrong actually. Yep. So yeah, it's halted down. ELAB still looks like trash. NRBO is still fighting to the upside here, so that's good. Golden eggs, because I'm in. I might have to move countries. Uh, there goes 570, 580, new highs, 580, and then drop. So we have a nice supply zone at 580. No. Sorry about the loss. Just kidding, Dad. Oh my goodness. Below 65, it can drop back to 520 before it goes again. Oh, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. Bunny. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice job. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Very, very nice. What's in the scanner here? NRBO. Yeah. So GREE was on there, but it was on there at the hard price though, so not exactly the best. So we have that nice little supply zone at 585. So this is a problem for NRBO resistance. 585. So it looks like we feel like a few pennies shy of that level, which is not a huge surprise. That yeah, not a huge surprise. Okay. Let's see. Let me take a look. And there goes your 585 fail. 585. Andre, thank you for the super sticker. Thank you. It's halted. Yara? Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the super sticker. Balloons, balloons. Andre, thank you for the super sticker. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Halted up at the same time and now halted down at the same time, Lion? Yeah. It's all just momentum plays, you know. There really isn't like proper catalyst for these names. So when you play with like stuff like this, you want to be very careful. Want to be very careful, you know. So Dipski's happening there. Grease on halted, and it's still dropping, and more drops. Right, 111%. Right, just so we can make a wish, guys. That was it. That was it. We made a wish, and it went back to full. Can you believe this? Look at that. It's at 46%. From 111 to 46%. If you diamond hand these things, you will get undressed. I don't like when a stock halts at a specific price and then goes below that price. Then you have to make a decision immediately because if you hesitate too much, you're gonna be looking for violence. Anyways, so it looks like MINM isn't quite given up yet, which is good. At least we have something that we can keep going back to because it's going for that 650 again. Can you break it this time, Justin? That's the question. That's the question. $6.50. The more we test it, the weaker that level becomes, and the more likely it is that it will break out. Right? So the more we keep testing that level, the weaker it's gonna get. So at some point, it's gonna break it. There we go. Not yet. Not yet. It failed again at 650. My goodness. Talk about strong resistance. What a ride, Max. You made monies. Here we go again. 640. And then another fail. Good morning, pizza. Good morning. Good morning. There goes 640 again. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. 641. Do it for Justin. Do it for Justin. 641. 642. 645. Sheesh. Looks like it's going to, doesn't it? Pizza, good morning. How are you? 645. And another fail. And another drop. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Look how crazy it is. Very impressive. So yeah, until 650 breaks and holds, it's a problem. You look 26 years old. How about that? Well, what can I say? What can I say? It's futures. It's the futures market. Go to bed playing futures. Wake up playing futures, Peter, and then enter. So 640. Anyways. Hmm. Mhm. Mhm. He looks 5 inches shorter. His booster seat is sagging. Unbelievable. Gree's bouncing back up to you, which is good. So it's back to 270. So at least there's hope. Am I muted? Yeah, I'm muted. The more we test it, the weaker that. If we get back to that level one more time, it's gonna break. If not, maybe that thing's gonna die. Eddie, already have a wonderful evening as well. Have a wonderful day. We'll catch you later. Just talking to myself. If we get there one more time, Justin, one more time. If not, then it's over. If we can get there one more time, though. If. Can we get there though? If we get there one more time. So 650 is a big problem for that stock. Na 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 na. Anyways, let's go back to NRBO here. NRBO looks like it's still failing below that supply zone. Still failing. It's never over. Well, I mean, we'll see. I just wouldn't be buying that thing at 650 though. That's for sure. Right? You should not be buying a stock at 650 because you think it's going to break. You should not be buying it at 640. You're better off waiting for that thing to break out. Alrighty, or buying the bottom, like the low side of the range, right? Buying the bottom of the range or waiting for it to break out. Because you buy this thing that it fails and it crashes, then you're in trouble, right? I GHSI. Okay, I'll take a look. People will always ask me like, "Hey, what are these dots on the dots? You see these little dots, those blue dots on your candles? Those are just like points. Like they're just like I don't know, triangulating, like just points. Um, but if you click on an empty space, they go away. So just I say that just randomly because like people ask all the time, like, "Hey, what's this?" If you click on an empty space, they just disappear. Alrighty, click and they disappear. So GHSI, it's halted up again. This is wild, guys. We're back to 93% for GREE. Oh my goodness, from 46 back to 93. You're in at 270. Congratulations, Nemo. That's amazing. Congrats. Congrats. Congratulations. So you have no idea what the dots are? No, the dots are um because we had to look. Just because we had so many questions, so we had to look. But it makes no sense to know. It's nothing important. You're not gonna miss anything. So then it's a whole lot of like unnecessary detail. Dan is like, uh-huh. You promote the bounce, Omega? Okay, yeah. Hopefully it opens and keeps going. The NRBO, Neuro, is still fighting here, so that's good. You did? From ELAB, Omega? Let's go. Well done. Congratulations. Na, 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 na. What is a dot? A dot is a little circle with you confirm my suspicion. No, a dot is a little thing with like a circle and a little like. Anyways, alrighty. So there you go. It's not important. I promise. Anyways, there goes NRBO retesting. Oh my days! That thing just popped to new highs. Yeah, it pushed to $6 in that candle and then backed off. Sheesh. Some of these candles are just wild. Just wild. Oh yeah, that is a nice push for GHSI. GHSI. La, la. Yeah, that thing was giving us nice entries all day yesterday, Justin, in the sevens. In the sevens. Let me take a look. Wasn't it red? Um, two. Interesting. Open order. La, la, la. Perfect. Even on vacation, I know. Like, even on vacation, guys. Even on vacation, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here goes MINM again. It's gonna break it this time. It's gonna break it this time, right? Right? 641, 642, 644. Oh my goodness! Don't be a meanie. Don't 644. Come on. How many times can we test it and it not break? How many times? Vacations only means more time to roast. That is true. That is true. Come on. There's a lot of red supply zones. There's a lot of buying, correct? I don't like to touch it if there's a lot of supply. No, exactly. That most likely means you missed the entry anyways, right? If it's sitting in the supply zone, right? There we go. Come on, 49 guys, 50. Oh my goodness. Wow. This 50 is sellers are backing off. The very, the very do some video, Microsoft. What are you holding, virus? Calls or puts? Look at that. We hit 650 again and then backed off. 650 exactly and then said, nope, 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 nope. It is such a tease, isn't it? Such a tease. Look at that. Anyways, back to GREE, guys. GREE's unhalted. Hey, GREE's at 114 now, 114%. You're holding puts? Okay, I'll take a look. GREE's halted out, by the way. GREE is halted at 114% now, so you can't make a wish. No wishings. It's unsalted and salted again, Nemo. So congratulations, by the way. Congrats. Yeah, we're sitting in a nice supply zone there, $6, Richard, for NRBO. So yeah, you want to be careful at levels like that. Just because we can go either way, we can break out or we can go to the abyss. Alrighty, break out or go to the abyss. La 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 la. No thanks. Yeah, again, like if you're in a position and it's sitting in a supply zone and it's holding the nine, you can just say, you know what, let me hold it for a second and see what happens. When you're looking for brand new entries, though, in a supply zone, it becomes a bit complicated because you could easily go back down to the abyss, right? And then you sell it and then it goes right back up, right? So that's the problem. You know what I mean? I mean, you can clearly see that it's hitting that red zone and it's struggling. Like it's like, oh, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then all of a sudden you're going to get a fat red candle or a fat green candle. Not sure you want that, you know? Hmm. Yeah, that life looks interesting, but might just get rid of it. Well, I mean, if it hits the stop loss, then it hits the stop loss. For now, though, let's leave it as is. Let me take a look at something else, actually. See. Na, na, na. Interesting. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, performance. Okay. Performance. Na, 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 na. So that is a two. When was the 27? Okay, that's quite a while ago. Quite a while ago. No, 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 no. Puts. Oh yeah, Microsoft. Let me take a look. Virus holding puts from Microsoft. Microsoft is up $8 as they report earnings today. I mean, are you planning on holding that virus overnight? Sheesh. Hmm. You need Microsoft below like 4 or 5, and then you have a better chance of going to the abyss for today. For today, oh wow. Hmm. Yeah, you need that thing to break down below 4 or 5. Hmm. I missed that entry. Dang it, missed it. Missed it. Missed it. Uh. La, 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 la. For today, yeah, virus. It's one of those like cross your fingers, and pray and pray. Cross your fingers and pray. MINM is still playing with 650. Yep. NRBO, there you go, Richard, right? So not playing in that supply zone in the red zone. Look at what's happening now, right? It's selling off. So yes, you're right to be careful in that range. GREE is still halted at 347. 347. Alrighty. Do you need any more details? No. No. No more details. And it looks like we failed again at 650, guys. Oh my goodness. This is why, though, even though we expect or we hope that something breaks above resistance, we still wait till it breaks above resistance. Because resistance is there for a reason, you know? We hope to break 650, but if it doesn't break 650, you don't touch it. You look for the bottom of the range or you wait for the breakout. Otherwise, it becomes a problem. And here we go again. Like, look at that. Off the bottom of the range again, immediately popped, right? For MINM. So it's, oh my goodness. Here we go. Here we go. 644, 645, 646. What a crazy stock. But if you're scalping the range, honestly, on this, you're very happy. Because look at how many times it's crashed and gone back to 650. How many times? Fat red candle back to 650. Fat red candle back to 650. I think that's a good thing. When it does break, ooh we fat green candle. Fat green candle. See CNXA is at 42 cents now. Slowly creeping up, yes. CNXA. Fat green candle. Are we gonna do it this time? 41, 45, 45. And there it is. Fat green candle. And then it's a scam. Oh my days. Oh my days. Look at that. That thing said, okay, that's what you want, isn't it? Meh, let's break it. Let's give you what you want. And then take it to the abyss. And then we're back to the same stupid range again, aren't we? Anyways, yeah, that's a scary candle, isn't it? That's just wild. Oh my goodness, look at CNXA. CNXA is still pumping them. Still pumping. It really is an NSAT candle. Okay. An NSAT candle. There we go. So we're still playing with $6 there. Mm, yeah. Let me just look at what happened yesterday with this stock. Just want to see. Because you can't have these stocks do this in the morning and then slowly recover as the day goes on. So consolidate and then drop. Same type of idea. Okay. Let's see. No loop. Very aggressive booking. Yep. Yep. NRBO is going back up again. So these two stocks, it looks like we're going to be watching forever. Forever today. There goes CNXA, still creeping up there, 9%. Not bad at all. Yeah, maybe. Agree. Agreed. NQ is crazy. Yep. Let me go back. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. If you're holding GREE, congratulations, by the way. Look at that. Oh my goodness, 200%, guys. If you're holding that thing, congratulations. Wow. These dudes really unleashed it. From 111%, we made a wish. Somebody wished for a 200% rally. That's what they wished for. A 200% rally. And they said, your wish is my command. Your wish is my command, sir. Your wish is my command. Look at it go. 360. 422. What did we hit on the low end actually? 7? Back to GREE. Almost obviously now it's up 200%. Yeah, that's so annoying, isn't it, Lion? Yeah. So as soon as it broke out though, as soon as this thing came back and broke out, it was gonna go. It's quite the pump, right? So this is why, Lion, like if you're not sure, right? Like just the same way we play the pre-market things, if you're not sure, the breakouts are what you're looking for because that will too slow, yeah. It's very slow. Right? So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, the breakouts are what you're looking for, Lion. Sometimes when you miss it and you see it pumping like that, honestly, you're better off staying away, right? And wait for that next breakout. Otherwise, you just end up getting yourself like in at the wrong price. You know, at the wrong price. Huh. 91, 20 cent scalp. Beautiful. Congratulations. Yeah. Just below 60, it seems to be struggling. But really nice run. What do I think about RNAS? 3 months ago, you bought it 3 months ago. Oh, that was your super chat for that question. I feel like I'm not gonna like what I'm gonna tell you, but RNAS, you bought this thing 3 months ago. Um, and so, Andre, what's your entry price? What did you buy at? What's the price? What's the price? This thing not look good. RNAS does not look good one bit. Uh, it's true, Varys. It's true. You're not kidding. Yeah, I can't look away. Cannot look away. Oh yeah, CNXA looks really good there. Looks really good. 44 cents. 44. 44. Um, Yaramir, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Please, 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 please. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Does it look worse than AMC? They're pretty damn close together. Pretty close. 44. 22. La 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 la. Largest sellers on the heavy resistance. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Well, thank you for the super chat. Thank you. Again, come join us in Discord, guys. Come join us in Discords. I don't know if you had a question with that super sticker, but thank you. Righty. So again, if you're not a member yet and you wanna join us in Discord as my camera and my stream breaks, um, let's see here. It's one of the streams cutting off, and then it just takes away all resets. Anyways, so if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us. Smash a like if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Alrighty. GREE looks like it's retesting 370 and holding the 9. Z9. Was your favorite growing up? Let's go. Rumble is climbing, Bernie. Let's go. Out of Microsoft, 28%. Revenge. Love it. There goes GREE. GREE. La 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 la. La 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 la. Don't like that. Don't like that. Best decision of your trading career, not just saying that. Let's go. Yes, become a member. Become a member. It will be the best decision you make. 90 cents. You bought at 90 cents, Andre? Okay, that's not too bad. It's bad, but it's not too bad because it's at 70 cents. I was scared you were gonna tell me your average was $5 because they did a split, you know. But for now, Andre, if I were you, I would set a stop loss. Pick a number, right? Tell yourself like I'm not I will not lose more than this amount, and then find the price for that amount and set a stop loss, because this thing's been ugly. At some point, I mean, you know what's crazy is these guys had news last night. These guys had news last night, and you could have sold this thing last night, right? These guys had news last night, and the stock popped to 95 cents. You could have sold that thing already and run away. Yeah. It was, Dan. It was. Let's do it again tonight. All in, Dan. All in. Five contracts. Five contracts. All in. Let's all in. Um, yeah. So this thing pushed all the way to 95 cents last night, Andre. You could have sold this thing and run away. And then obviously this morning, it's ugly because it they had news, it popped, and then it gave it all away, and this morning it went to all-time lows. So I hope it stays above 67 cents. Stay above 67 cents and you're okay. Don't tell them that. Keep it a secret. Yes, it was vibes. It was vibes for sure. Vibes. Either I lose the account or bring it back. Let's go, virus. Come on. Tonight we go five contracts. Come on. We're gonna be suspended in 2 seconds, virus. account account blocked. But it's the way. It's the way. Na, 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 na. It is the way. Yeah, good spot. La la la. What would be a good entry now for MINM? So obviously that resistance is a bit annoying. Um, The one thing I don't like about this now, David, is that I hate stocks that give us lows as the day goes on. I hate that. I hate that. For me, that what I usually do is as soon as the stock gives me a brand new low, I just tend to like take it away and like just go find something else to watch. You know, because for now CNXA looks really good still, right? It's slowly creeping up there, which is nice, right? So I tend to go find something else to watch. But I mean, if you see opportunities there for sure. But yeah, I just don't like chasing stuff that's giving me new lows. Did we hit 45 cents? Don't think so. It's a weird little spread, isn't it? Weird little spread. Weird little spread. Looks like GREE is dropping again, like a tomato, guys. Wow, that stock is wild. Yeah, I hate it too. What about NRBO? So let me take a look here. So NRBO, NRBO seems to have a nice little double bottom ish around like $5.35. So if we can if we can retest that level again and stay above it, that's not too bad. And it's not gonna do it, is it? As soon as we say that, it pops, right? So the reason we say 535 is because if you look to the left hand side here on this side, you can see that we bounced in and around that level 535, 530, and then we came back again to retest it. So you missed it by like 2 minutes, and it's up 30 cents already here. So let's see. Yeah, so 45 cents is resistance here for CNXA. Have a nice day as well, Pepe. Enjoy. See you later. See you later. Already. Have a nice day. So there goes 48, 45.80, 48. Yeah, it's slowly creeping up there. Dunskies, Justin. There goes 45 cents. Ooh. This market, like to the abyss. To the abyss. You know how like Google will send you those things like, hey, 10 years ago you were doing this? Oh, just a stupid picture from 10 years ago. I thought it would be something cool, you know? It is not. It is not. So 45 cents resistance for that one. Resistance. NRBO still just chilling all the way up there. Ten years ago, you were 10 years old, and then we started streaming, and then we aged like a lot of years. There we go. There goes NRBO. So yeah, that 530 was quite nice. Quite nice. Now it needs to close above the chrono here, which is $5.65 if it wants to keep pumping. 10 years ago, where were you guys? 10 years ago. There goes 570 NRBO. 10 years ago. That was forever ago. Wait, your second funded account secured? Varys, you got another one? Oh my goodness, Dan, you seeing this? He's finished. He went prison. There's a food chair that needs a Dan. Beautiful. Enjoy the rest of the day. Alrighty. Much love. See you. See you tonight when chaos begins again. Good morning, Troy. Did it again. Uh-oh. Rob, what did he do now? 10 years ago, I was making a. You were Java? Oh my goodness. well, well, uh, money wise from spy puts. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, the money is rotating from this to that, right? So that's nice. That is nice. What's on the small cap thing here? Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. There goes a drop. There goes a drop to that 530 level again there, David, right? So it dropped immediately to 530 and then popped right back up. So that level seems to be holding for now. Back to the range. Isn't that stupid, Lion? Like it's Yep. Back to playing with the middle of the range again. So we'll see. Some dips and lucid. Okay, nice. Some lucid dips. Okay, let me look at some of these positions. 50. Not bad at all. Nexi hopefully found a base. Yep, hopefully. Sympathy entry. I just got out for another. Let's go, Justin. Let's go. Criminal. Criminalis. Criminal. NRBO. NRBO. I wish we were getting something chaotic, something crazy. Like we need one of those again. Uh, uh, okay. There we go. Scalper friendly action. Yeah, just the way it skips back and forth. Even if you mess up, there's a chance that you can recover. There's a chance that you can recover. Is you talking about? Oh yeah, the war, Rob. Biden. Oh yeah, like the strike on yeah, the approved strike. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yes. La 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 la. Doo-doo. Scalper friendly. Doo-doo. Lucid. Lucid. Dropping? Yeah, this one's dropping now too. dropping. Super weak. Let me take a look at Lucid. It's a pretty nice drop. What's Plug doing today? Plug power. Yeah, plug dropped nicely too. Wow. From 515 all the way back to the abyss. Okay. What's Fun doing? Fun is actually done really well. Wow. I feel like nobody's selling Fun these days because they're just waiting, you know? They're like, okay, Catalyst is coming, right? At some point eventually. And that's because our position is closed, I think. I think. Doo-doo. In the meeting with world leaders, yeah. Press the ice cream button, and the Fun is actually done really well holding up. What's Mark doing? Mark is in the abyss. Ooh, I mean, they decided to screw people. So yeah, the market said you can suck it. You can kindly suck it. So we failed at 64 cents. That was a pretty big level for resistance on Mark. 64 resistance. Pretty big resistance. La, la, la. BLBX acquisition target receives a long-term supply contract with okay, cool. Kind of slow. Yeah, KPRX. Yep. KPRX. Wow, yeah, that's not too bad of a. Oh yeah, it's not bad. Not bad, Vans. Diamond hands. That's you, Nemo. Yeah, I think people are just holding fun now, waiting for the next run. Just diamond handing, waiting and waiting, waiting and waiting. Waiting and waiting. Okay, what else is in the markets here? What else? What else? La 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 la. Okay. Yeah. Fun. Oh wow! Look at that thing go! Oh my goodness, Vance! Wow. I was hoping it wouldn't be doing much, Rich, till like the weekend. Yeah, that thing is pumping now. KPRX. New highs of the day, 80 cents, 81. Damn. And these are the criminals from yesterday. So na, 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 na. Yep, that thing said okay. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. GREE still around? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Doo-doo-doo. You scalp fun every day? Yeah, I'm not surprised. Not surprised. Let me go back to fun here really quickly. Yep. I mean, this thing was at 36 cents earlier today and then lost it all. Came back to 32.50. Now it's slowly going back up. Slowly. Slowly going back up. 7-Eleven. Okay. And cool. Fun scalpies. Nexi. La la la. FB resumed. FB. Seems like an ugly stock. La, la, la. I'm just looking at all these other scanners here. See if anything else shows up. Shows up that we haven't looked at yet. See if anything shows up here. La 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 la. Cool. La 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 la. '70s retail has been all over it. Yeah, plug. Yeah, I gave it all away. It lost everything. Plug, plug, plug. Lost it all. Lost it all. Unfortunately. 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 Let's see. Agree. Wait. Okay, that's still open. Open blocks. Cool. Open blocks. Here you go. Oh, 38. Yeah, let's watch that 38 level. See if we can if we can double bottom bounce. That might actually be a good spot, Justin. Yeah, if we can get there. Green looks like it's going back up, doesn't it? Yeah. Nice little demand zone and then a bounce. Yeah, Musty was right about KPRX. It's going back up already there. So 74 back to the 80. Back to the 80. Yeah, back to the 80. Let's see. Cool. Potential 81 pennies. Yep, not a bad spot. Not a bad spot at all. La 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 la. Oh yeah, there it goes. 81, 82. There goes 83. Yup. Nice little push. And 83.50. And then back to 81. So what's going on with Nexi, Rich the King? What's your position in Nexi, Rich? What is your position? Let me know. I'll take a closer look. What is your position? Uh, let's see. Okay. There goes 84. 84, 85. 85. You're down about at $16 range. Okay, I'll take a look. Take a look ski here. So Nexi's been one of these recent momentum biotech names. You're in at $16. You're saying? Okay. Yeah. Let me zoom out here a bit. What's your current stop loss at, Rich? I hope you have one already, because you have names like these. Like going from. I mean, look at this, right? Going from $5 all the way to $28 for no good reason. You want to be very careful with these names, right? They pump and they dump really quickly. So um, I don't know if these things are done. Again, it's done a good job for today though, like staying above 1270. Well, actually, let me zoom out. Let me zoom back in here. Is that the low of the day? Yeah. So Rich, I would find a way to set a stop loss. Pick one of these levels and set a stop loss, please. Alrighty. Your next low to support, if you look to the left hand side from yesterday, the low we hit yesterday was $11 and 11.40. That's the low from yesterday. 11.40. So if we can stay above this level, right? That this if we break down below 1270, you might be looking for this range. Yeah. So hopefully it doesn't break down here though. Hopefully not. Oh, you bought the dip? Okay. Bought the deeps. Bought the deeps. Yeah, GREE seems to have an issue now with 380 max. $3.80. Yeah. La, 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 la. Do, 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 do. Mm, sheesh, I think just randomly popped. Randomly popped. Maybe another one to throw on the penny stock watch list. La, 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 la. Random pops. $21.50. You know what's funny is that thing hit new lows today too. So people just seem to be buying some of these stocks off the lows and then pumping them from 15 cents this morning to 21. Hmm. Random pumps. Wish you could short. What will do? Yes. Yes. Yep. Anyways, I think we have like 10 more minutes or so, and then we have to hop off and go back to Discord. Back to Discord. La, 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 la. Okay, sounds good, Blizzy. Have a wonderful day as well. See you tomorrow. See ya tomorrow. Yeah, KPRX actually doesn't look too bad. Well, yeah, it looks like it's holding above 80 at least, closing above 80, which is good. Closing candles above support. There goes 85 again there. Yup. Not bad. And there goes 86. 87. That's a pretty nice run. La, 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 la. Pretty nice run. Uh, wonder if this executes. Hmm. Um, I mean, so you have a lot of resistance at 90 cents, team. A lot of it. 90 cents is the problem for now. One of these levels in pre-market, right? Like right there, like just below. I mean, like look at the amount of times we failed. Uh, You know, yeah. So I would be watching this level here first. Yeah. So this is your initial concern, and you just below like 90 cents there. So if you can break 90 cents, that's fire. For now, just be careful there. There goes 89 cents. So break and hold, and then you can talk about a dollar. For now, though, yeah, you have some issues there. 90 cents, 91, 92. There goes 90. 90, back to 89. Seven. Yep. Hmm. Yes, yes. So looks like, yeah, we're testing that 90 again. There goes 91. That was a pretty fire call, Vance. Fire breakout. Fire. Looks like Taipei is still pumping though, right? 22 cents there. Still pushing. Yay. Yay. There goes 23. Huh. Interesting. I don't see any catalyst. I don't see anything for this stock, for any reason for it to be pumping, but it's I thought so, Vance. I thought so. I was like, who is that? Who changed their name? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Oh yeah, KPRX said, "Hey guys, bye." A private placement about 245. Oh, okay, yeah, from yesterday. I was like, wait, another one? Are you kidding me? So there you go, T. You wanted that $1. It looks like it's crushing it. Looks like it's crushing it. That thing said resistance. Excuse me, where? So at least we're breaking above these little levels there. Breaking out of those. Yeah, so they announced that offering, and then the stock went to the abyss, and then now it's going back up. So going back up. Uh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Interesting. Very interesting. 280. I got at 20 cents in placements. 20 cents? Wait. Okay, they got it. Okay. Sounds good. Yes. Yeah. I was about to say, wait, what? How come you didn't connect us? Connect us to the gems. Yeah, right. I wish. 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 Yeah, higher lows. MDAI. Okay. MDAI. Let me take a look. Yeah, the volume is super light. Super light. Those candles are also kind of wild. Kind of wild. Hmm. Does the daily look like? Yeah, that thing does seem like it has potential from the bottom, doesn't it? It's one of those swing plays above $2. One of those swing plays. Oh, that thing hit new all-time lows, didn't it? Yeah. This counted to 190. That's not bad though. That it went from 205 to recovering. That's not bad. That's always a good thing when the stock can hit a low and then start to recover. Yeah, it just needs volume. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Na, 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 na. Anyways, anyways, cool. A garbage. Always remember that. Oh yeah, they are. They don't make money, so they're gonna take every opportunity you give them for an offering. Yeah, yeah. No, they are for sure. There are quite a few of them actually. Isn't Hub C one? No, Hub C is a different one. There's so many of them. So many. You know, every single one of them has gone to the abyss. Oh, that's very cool. Yeah, that nice little inverse head and shoulder there. Nice little inverse, Justin. ELAB is trying to curl. Maybe it's gonna come back from the grave. From the grave. Yeah, trying to. Little resistance at like 80 cents. There goes KPRX 99 cents. Wow. Wow. That's a really nice run from that breakout. Yeah. There goes a dollar. See, that's your dollar. That's the dollar you wanted. uh you're holding lots of shares? Why are you holding all those names? Is my question. Why? Why, Jasmine? Why are you holding four different stocks at the same time? Why would you do that? To me, you're just setting yourself up for like disaster. Because yes. Pour it out. Exactly. Yeah. La. All of those stocks are trash, right? You play them, you scalp them, you run away to make money. I guess those stocks are not making money though. Yeah, don't. Yeah, exactly, Captain. There's just too many to manage. Just too many to manage, and they're all crazy stocks from today. It's not like you're swinging stocks from like yesterday or other days. They're all just. Yes, I'm glad I got out. That thing got head heads. Yes, I'm glad I got out of that thing. What is that? What is Wolf at now? Maybe it's time to go back in. Wolf. Sheesh. Nah. I mean, it's been holding a nice bottom at like 160, 167, so that's good. It's also the same like kind of bottom from yesterday. What's Bitcoin at though? That's the question. Bitcoin is at 42.3. Maybe if it was the weekend and I was hoping Bitcoin would rally, I would send it. Yeah. Yeah, like if you're holding names from me, yeah, like if it's a different name, you're like, I did my research, I'm holding this one, I'm holding this one. It's at support. When you wake up though, you pick all the names on the all the gap ups for today, and then you buy all of them, hoping one of them goes boomskis. You're just asking for trouble. Because if it's a Blair day like today, you could just end up at the in the abyss. Jeff CLSK, entry at 775. Closer to like 770, Jeff. Yeah, closer to 770. Support at 762. 760. Yeah. Yeah, BTBT. 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 Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. I've been loading. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay, last 5 minutes, guys. Last 5 minutes. Let me know if you have any last questions. And then we're going to go to Discord and continue the party. Where do we dip to here? To the chrono, maybe, Vance? And then go for another run. Hopefully, they don't do another offering. Let me respond to this here. Uh, that's why. So I was wondering why that wasn't working. I was wondering. Alerts. I'm sure we can find some, but so do you not have you have the momentum scanner, right, Luke? That one is pretty good, right? So on you want something else? Like what? Like what? Let me know. See anything else you like? Let me know. And then we'll find a way to get it. Find a way to get it. Yeah. Put the gem. Please and thank you, 4,000% Boomski. I know, right? Yeah, I know. I know if you see something you like, just let us know, and we'll find a way to get it. What's GREE doing? GREE still bouncing off that demand zone? Yeah, it is $3. That's not too bad, actually. That's not too bad. You are a cutie. Yes. Watching a price action sometimes feels like watching a water boil. Go step away for a minute. Yep. Yeah. Like do the charts and then yeah, step away for a second. Do the charts and step away. Otherwise, you just end up staring. You end up staring. Looks like they took themselves off the market. Huh. Roma? They have a chart data from 2007. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, maybe they took themselves off the yeah, almost like an up list as well. But it wasn't IPOs. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Roma on watch. Okay, Roma tomato. Roma. Some Tesla calls, 250s. Okay. I mean, at least you're picking up these calls when the market is going to the abyss, you know? Like Tesla is close to 280, 180 again, right? That would be the right time to pick up those calls. The right time to pick up those calls, Iris. Close to 25 now? Oh my goodness. We stopped watching that thing for a second and it sent it. Dang it. Wow, yeah. We stopped paying attention to this thing and it said, okay, bye. See ya. That's a pretty nice run, though. So hopefully someone FOMOed. FOMOed. La, 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 la. Oh, okay, okay. I see what you're missing. Yeah, you're missing this. Yeah, you're missing the scanners. You're missing um. Let me see if I can send you a screenshot here. Yeah, you're missing. If I can find it. Uh, there goes 24. 25 almost. 25. You scalped it a couple of days ago for okay, sounds good. Yeah. If you play them right, it can be Troy. That the hold scanner, yeah. Yeah, we have a lot of those in Discord, so yeah. Would be nice to get yeah. I mean like we pulled it up, so it's hard to like I will pull up stuff on my watch list because stuff will randomly show up. But like to get stuff to like alert you in Discord is never like an easy task, you know? So yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, we'll figure something out. La la la. TRKA. Ugly. Ugly, ugly stonk. Choo, 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 choo. Yeah, no, T-Pad looks nice. So congratulations if you did that thing. Choo, choo. Oh, yeah, that thing is pumping. Oh, wow. 26. 26. What's KPRX doing here? It kind of looks like it's failing below the 9 must Vans, but it looks like it's holding 87-ish. So if it can stay above that 87, maybe that's a good thing. When push to $1, when push, it's not gonna do it, is it? It's not gonna do it, is it? Nah. Let's go. Let's go. So power. Let's go. I think you just upgraded, right? So yeah, it was initially exciting. Not sure about yeah. It's looking a bit sus now, isn't it? So power. Let's go. A little bit sus now. Yeah. The spreads was all over the place. Like my goodness. It would have been nice if it consolidated above like 90 cents. The only hope for this thing though is that it stays above this double bottom, which the spread makes you question it. Yeah, the only hope is that it stays above that 87 double bottom. Or it needs to hold it. Needs to hold. And here it is testing it. And 3, 2, and abyss. Gonskis to the abyss. T-Pet though is on fire. On fire, T-Pet. Sending it. La, 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 la. Let's go, pizza. Let's go, let's go. It's not the first time a spread makes me ask questions. I have no questions to ask. No questions to ask, virus. Okay. Hmm. Na, 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 na. There it goes again. T-Pets. T-Pets. That would have been a nice short. Yes. NRBO. Is it bouncing? Yeah, it's bouncing up the 200 again, Emer. It's a nice little double bottom, isn't it? Yeah, double bottom at the 200. That's always a good spot actually. When you're seeing something retest a double bottom, but you have a demand zone and the 200 there, that can be nice. And that T-Pet is at 28 now. Dang, 68%, 70%. That's pretty impressive. Pretty dang impressive. Pretty dang impressive. Na, 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 na. Perfect. 70%. Your entry at 25. Let's go, Omega. Yeah, it looks like you have a bit of resistance here, like 28.50. So that might be a bit of an issue. That thing said issue. Where issue? Where issue? That thing said nope, no issue. It's going for 29 cents. 29 and there's 29. Sheesh. 75%. 76. Pretty nice. Not having a document ready until the 28th. Someone likes to get it done. It's inferior. Yeah, it is. Like, it's the same thing. It's the 28th. Yeah, the 28th. For, yeah. Z28. It's when they do it. I need to make sure that I get mine by. La 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 la. Okay. Make sure that we manage those. La 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 la. Tax info. La 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 la. Okay, I'll do that. Do that later. Uh, yeah. I think did you try upgrading on your phone, Emer? Did you try the phone? 3 million insider buy. Yeah, I say meh because I say meh, Jeff, because it's one thing for you to buy a stock because insiders are buying at the bottom, right? And then you're like, sweet, you know. Um, it's another thing to be buying a stock that's been pumping. Because look, it's down 3% today. What happened to those insider buys, right? Is my problem with that, right? Like if this thing is pumping for multiple days, like it's gone from $2, almost to $4. It's gone up 100% already, and then you're looking at insider buys. It's like, yeah, then it doesn't. Then to me, it doesn't matter, right? Because those insider buys came yesterday. What's the stock doing today? The stock is down 3%. Why? How come the stock isn't pumping? Yeah, the bot already moved. Yeah, already and moved it exactly. So yeah, insider buying is cool. Like any information you get is it's cool, Jeff, as long as you're making money. Anything is cool as long as you're making money. If insiders are buying and you're losing money, then forget about it. Alrighty? So yeah, I wouldn't be worrying too much about that stuff. Too much about that stuff, please. Uh, don't think about it too much. Let's see. Done for the day. You're trying now? Yeah, let me know how it goes. Try on your phone and then let me know. If it works, then we can hop off. If not, then we have a problem. Already. Already. Yeah, looks like we failed that supply there. So just below 29 cents for TPET. Let's go T. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet and you want to join us, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. I think when you're upgrading your membership, it doesn't let you do it for some reason now on the computer, but it's so easy on the phone. I don't know what the deal with that is, but I have no idea. Don't know. Let me know if you've found ways around it. Like if you've tried to upgrade and it doesn't work on the computer, but it works on the phone. Ruin your portfolio. The lucid calls. Yeah, yeah. I think yeah. I think your shares are fine. It's just the options, because then they just do random things. Lincoln, thank you. Uh, Already. The ones for 2025. Oh, the spread. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, those are for 2025 anyway, so you're still fine, virus. So you're still fine. Or Emer, you can find out when your membership expires. If it's soon, just cancel it, and then when it expires, you can just get back to the level not highlighted. So you yeah, exactly, exactly. Are you? It's not working on the phone either. Yeah, let me know. 23, not bad. Not bad, Justin. Nice little scalp piece. Little scalp piece. Yeah, it's not working on the phone. Oh wow. Not sure if Discord upgraded. Still not seeing a. So you upgraded to so power. You upgraded to a different level. So when you go back, I don't know how it's working for you, and it's not working for Emer. Honestly, I don't know what you're doing differently. But when you upgraded to a different level, yeah. So when you upgrade to the level that says Legend Power, already, so power. So that's the level that will give you the scanners. Maybe due to YouTube's added code for their anti measures, messing up with their other features. That's been yeah. I think yeah, yeah. So power. So it has to be the you upgrade it to a different level, and you have to go back and look at it's the legend level. Legend. Alrighty. Yeah. Moldova. Moldova. It's an interesting country to select. La 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 la. Pro tip. There goes Taipei dropping, guys. Surprise! Not. Alrighty, guys. So I think so power. Once you upgrade, it will upgrade your Discord on its own. So there's nothing else you need to do after that. It is Troy, yeah, and successful, but not without a yeah. Lunchtime, Jeff. Lunchtime. Bon appetit. Bon appetit, monsieur. For sure, I just can't read. No, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, it yeah. Once you upgrade, it fixes itself in like 2 seconds or like a minute. That's a minute. But yeah. Want to see if they can get back to 42. Yeah, that's not a bad gamble. You got in at 38. 38. So C8. Now for saying hard blocker E. No, I think you'll be fine. You should be fine. Uh, let's see. Target no stop loss because it's only 200 shares. Okay. Wes, LAES, LAES, LAES. That's a nice little bounce there for now on KPRX off the 200. So that's not too bad if that thing can run again. LAES. Yeah, kind of a breakout. The only obstacle here now too is if we go back far enough, there's resistance. Yeah, like if we go back to like right there, Wes, we have a lot of issues with this level, like at $2.38. So then you break out, and then you're like, okay, well, I know there's resistance up there. So how much room do I have before we, you know, that's the only obstacle here. So you can see how we're hitting that level and backing off already. So yeah, at this point, we just need to clear 240 and just stay above it. Break it and hold it. Yeah, break it and hold it. Yeah, Spy humble. Yeah, Spy is wild. Spy is on crack. On crack. Send it. Send it. Spy double tops. Virus. Maybe in March. Maybe in March. Hit a double top at 550. Can you imagine the S&P breaking 500? The headlines. The S&P. The S&P. Interesting. Very interesting. Stop messing around. When Spy crashes, I think it's going to be glorious. Yep. No, every year we have an event. Well, for the last 3 years, we have had one. Something that causes the market to go to the abyss, right? Yeah, the markets are pumping now, Roy. Yep. Yep. Look at that. We're sitting at highs of the day, guys. Highs of the day. Isn't that crazy? Crazy, right? Wild. Wild. Quick, 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 quick. FOMO. FOMO, FOMO. FOMO, FOMO. Okay. What else? Insider buying for which one? Mera? Yep. See, Jeff, see the difference between like brand new insider buying and the stock is pumping to new highs of the day versus something else that's been pumping already? It is virus. Can you look at Mera before resistance? Mera? Yeah. Yep. 1825. That was a nice bottom, wasn't it? $15 for Mera. Yeah, not bad. Let me just look at a few more time frames here. So, choo, 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 choo. Choo, 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 yeah. I mean, honestly, even like $18 T is a bit of an issue here with this stock. We've had candles go above $18, but we really haven't closed candles above $18. Right? Like we've used this $18 level as support, as support, as support, as resistance, as resistance. So that level seems interesting. 4 hour, yeah, $18. So close above 18, and then you're looking for 1830, and then you're looking for closer to 19. Yeah, this AM to flip today. Okay, nice. Yeah, Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, that's a really good entry. It's a really good entry. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, we've been playing with this like 18 to 18, 20, 18, 30 for the last, for the last bit here. So, yep. And then $19 after that. Uh, I would only add, Jeff, let me look. Your entry is 360? 360. So you're basically broke even on this thing here. So, which is not too bad. The 4 hour doesn't look bad either. And it looks nice. So, Jeff, um, if you're adding that thing, right? If you add that thing, like if I was to do that, I would set that stop loss slightly below. Alrighty? Does that make sense? So like if you added that position, I would be watching this thing and saying, okay, which is not too bad actually, right? So we look at these candles, Jeff. This entire run we've been holding the nine, right? The blue line, right? Holding and holding and holding and holding and holding. So now that it looks like it's almost like retesting it, sure, if you add that thing, just make sure we don't go below. Because if we go below that level, there's nothing stopping it from going to the abyss. Alrighty. Hopefully they don't say anything negative though, like hey, we won't go to the moon anymore. But yeah, no. So if we can stay above that 360, you're fine. You did virus that quickly? Oh wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Choo, choo, choo. Crazy, crazy. Choo, choo, choo. Does that hopefully that answers your question, Jeff? Hopefully, hopefully. La, 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 la. Let me look at this one. Let's look at this one. Non-compliance. For new leg up, this. Do, 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 do. Non-compliance. Non-compliance notice. That was December though. December minimum June 22 June 24 to regain compliance. Decides to stock split. It must complete the by June 7. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, that spread is ridiculous though. That spread is ridiculous. No, so like legends gets we do need to is it this weekend we're doing a call, guys? Is it this weekend? So legends get everything, everything, and with the classes, and then like classes like group classes, and then the goats get the one-on-ones. Luke, one-on-ones. Yeah, that's a ridiculous spread. Yeah. Yes. Open. Beneficiary ownership. Interesting. Another 10% vibes. vibes. La 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 la. Manage. Accepted, accepted, approved. Details. Electron. Okay. La 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 la. Let's get it. Preferences. Since he that thing is loading for a long time. Sorry. Well, landing on the moon. I mean, I hope so. That would be amazing. That would be amazing. I'm not sure why the stock is in the abyss like that, Jeff. Not sure why like the stock is in the abyss like that. If they're like all this hype about them going to the moon, yeah, they should be doing better. Yeah, yeah. La 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 la. Anyways, yeah, no, this one looks interesting too. VSME. Let's go. We're gonna leave it here for today, though, guys. Have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe already, and catch you guys in Discord or tomorrow or on the for Power Hour already. And Power Hour. See you guys later. Thank you, Peter. Thank you. Thank you. The plan is always to come back. The plan is always to come back for Power Hour. Always, always, always. That's always the plan. But then sometimes the market is like the market doesn't the market isn't moving, so then we just stay in Discord. So oh yeah, today's big earnings, so we're gonna be back. Yeah, today Facebook reports, Google reports, Amazon reports. So there are a whole bunch of names. Yeah, we're gonna be back for Power Hour. Yep, we shall be back. It's not in a coma. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, huge earnings. We shall be back then. Already, y'all. Much love. Be safe in the markets and in the not in the markets. CNXA is finally thrusting. Ooh, yeah. It looks like that 38 was that? Did we actually went all the way down to wow. We came back to 40 though after going back to 36. Wow, dang. Quite the drop there. Quite the drop. See ya, CM. Jay, see you later. Safest is for the weak. Stay dangerous. Decent stock pretty slow and steady. Okay, I'll put that on the watch list as well. Wes 19, yeah. Alrighty, all again. Be dangerous, and we'll catch you guys later. Alrighty, bye guys. Safety, yeah, safety. Bye all.